Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing these two brushes. Let me get this one out so you guys can see it well. So this is a detangling brush. It's a detangling brush. Yeah, let me show you guys. This is a detangling brush and it comes like this. This is the brush and then a comb with a tail comb. So this is how it comes. Then we have the Tango Teaser. This one, this is the one I've been using, but today I'm going to be trying these two. I'm going to be comparing two of them to see which one is better. So what is going to happen is that I'm going to divide my hair into two. I'm going to use this brush to detangle this side while I use this one to detangle this side. So I need you guys to pay attention to this so you can tell me which one you actually think is better. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video. I can't see, I don't have a mirror with me, so you guys shouldn't mind what the part looks like. We are not here for the part, we are here to detangle the hair. So let's go ahead and divide this one again. So let's do same for this side. So that leaves us with this one. So like I said, we're going to use one brush for this side and the other brush for this side. So which brush should we use first? Mini, mini, mani, mo. Let's use this one first for this place. All right. So let's apply something for detangling. I want you guys to pay attention so you guys can tell me which brush you think is better or which brush detangles my hair based on how easy it was. So we are done detangling this side with one brush. So let's move on to the other side with the other brush. So this is the hair I lost on each section using the different comb. This one, sorry, let me raise it up so you guys can see. That's it. This one is for this part, while this one is for this other part. This one is for this one. This one is for this one. I think they are the same. I think the quantity of hair is the same. I think so. I think they are really the same. Nothing too much. So based on how well they did, I think this one did better. That is what I think, because I think at first I was trying to comb my hair at the same time, but as I divided it, as I started doing it in small parts, it started going through my hair. But this one, I still had to struggle with it. So you guys let me know, which one do you think is better? Or maybe the next time I'm going to try it, I'm going to use a detangling product, not just DIY, an actual detangling product. Let me see if there's any different. But for now, I think this one is better than this one. Even though I'm still struggling with the both of them, I actually prefer using my hand to do the detangling process than using any of these brushes. So you guys comment below, let me know which one you think is best, and if I should or I should not continue using the brush to detangle my hair. Let me know. I really appreciate your opinion. Okay, I think this is where we close the curtain. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.